Izani nizobona iphasi lakwaNdebele linezinraba imlambo ihaza amanzi.
Umpendulo lo ufuna ukwazi ngekwaNdebele.
KwaNdebele sinemigwalo, kunemsebenzi yezandla khulukhulu amaNdebele azikhakhazisa kakhulu ngephothelo nangevunulo yabo.
Your story deserves more than just a camera. It deserves a stage.
Welcome to Good Life Media Studios, where ideas turn into powerful visuals and audio.
From broadcast quality podcasts to television production, live streaming, and digital content.
We don't just record, we elevate your brand.
Step into the spotlight. Create like a pro.
Good Life Media Studios, our talk, your inspiration.
Book your session today.
Lotshani Mzansi, ibizo lami nginguThando Mahlangu, indebele elihlakaniphileko nelifundileko. Bakwethu sikatangisela eGood Life Studios nasimniningwana. Nawufuna ukuza lapha uzogadangisa i-podcast yakho, nasi studio se-podcast sikhona. Nawufuna ukuza lapho uzogadangisa i-audio, incwadi yakho uyifake kuma-USB, kuma-CD, sine-studio se-FM ngale. Nafuna ukwenza i-inspirational CD, nakhona zikhona. Angikhambi ngedwa-ke kazi, ngikhamba noNqobile Masuku.
And I'm your co-host. Lami ibizo nginqobile ngokaMasuku. Yeloche. Kazi ihlelo lanamhlanje silethelwe iPolar Prepaid Still Water. Bathe hayi man Thando, awukwazi ukuwoma sikhona. Asikuhlwebhe ngamanzi apholileko namnandi. Uyizwa kanjani?
Bathi yaginyeka musa.
Iginyeka kamnandi kultani. Basho akusingewe ngkhwahwa. Ahloliweko.
Kwethu namhlanje sikhamba nekutana, sikhamba netsitsirimba, sikhamba nomtloli, sikhamba nomsunguli, sikhamba ne-director, sikhamba nomvezi.
Futhi sikhamba ne-behind the scene.
Yonke.
Namhlanje silethe tshachalasi.
Bakwethu namhlanje itsitirimbe siphethe lapha kuba abantu esibahlogako vele esitshabeni samaNdebele. Ngombanyana uyatlola, uyavesa.
Yes.
Umsunguli, uyi-director konje i-director sithini ngelimi lesiNdebele?
Mnqophisi.
Yeah.
Izinto zikhambe ngehlelo.
Telling you. Bakwethu sikhamba noNomusa Nkabinde. Simbetheleni izandla.
Popo.
Yes. Tethu lochani.
Loshani, Thando.
Nivuke njani?
Nqobile.
Akwande.
Ngisavukile ngisaphilile ngiyathokoza ukuthi nami ningimeme esitulweni lesi. Enkosi nenkosazana be-green chair.
Yeah.
Green phela i-color of life.
Yes.
Color of money.
Exactly.
And siyayifuna imali simaNdebele.
Yo.
And siyifuna ngobukhwari
Yes.
esibenzako esi-famous for bona.
Ngiyavuma.
That's my
Adethi
guy.
sithokoza khulu kwamambala. Yazi mina nangithoma ukukubona ngahlangana nawe eMnet. Ngazi uyakhumbula.
Ngiyakhumbula.
Kwenzakalana Mnet
Nawe bowukhona.
unama.
Ngiyakutshela.
Oh yes, Mnet. Oh. Lapho bengisesematsetse cool vele like nefika le like
Yeah.
yeah.
Ngakubona I think uThando beyakhamba ngubhuti eleisikhumba.
Yes. No Bricks was there.
Yeah.
Vele
Ma bodyguard amlayo ke uThando
Mthombeni was there.
nangikhamba uThando bekaba ngapha sikhumba bengapha.
Yeah.
The princess abengaphakathi.
Ngahlangana nani ku-entrance kaThawu. Phela amaNdebele ayivela kancane ngeJohannesburg manje. Abantu bekhetha. Yeah.
Sithokoza khulu kwamambala. Man sithokoza ukuthi ukhonile ukufika namhlanje ehlelweni lethu My Story with Thando Mahlangu. Sizoyithoma ekuthomeni. La ithoma khona ukhulelephi, wafundaphi, wafika njani ngeJohannesburg? Yeah.
Yeah, ngiziqhenya khulu, angazi ukuthi hey isiNdebele sami sikhambe sigedla nokho sona sikhona. Ngokubelethwa Waterfall Clinic eBosa.
Wow.
Yeah, ngisikhakhazisa khulu ngalokho iBosa ngiyo into engenze or indawo engenze ngaba umuntu enginguye namhlanje. Ngibelethelwa eJS Muroka, ngakhulela eThembisile Municipality ngakwaMhlanga. So ngifunde amandla kaBaba. Ngaso amandla baba ngaenda eDema.
Amandla kaBaba kuphi?
Amandla baba kuse Waterfall. So in the Dema amandla kaBaba zise Waterfall Zoe 2.
Okay.
And then I think grade 7 ngaya ngale ngeholweni ngeRosenekal. Yenza 1 year boarding school. Never repeat that experience again.
Why not?
Kade slamba. Kade slamba niyazi ukuthi mara makho wadla ngo6 ngo8 sewulambe. Kade slamba khulu lapha sisemahlathini asoze. Ngabantu abami.
The only reason
Kade slamba khulu lapha. Yabona ukuthi babantu abathi ne trauma.
Yeah.
Slamba khulu. Ekeni ukuphi isikade so use Rosenekal. So grade 7 ngaye Rosenekal, and then uma nobaba then bathenga indlu ngakwaMhlanga ke. Sezabo ma end of 97 98 then ngathoma I high school ame culture ke. So ngaba se culture njalo njalo. Ngaba nechudu nangise culture ngathola I-art and design as a subject. I think ngiyo into yakhona ukuthi ikhulume nami. So my favorite subjects vele beku art and design ne-English. So yabona language ubukhari ngizo izinto so abo biology nani ngabalisa ngafocusa on artistic and linguistic things.
Nawo banechudu man.
Yeah, and ngiyo I-concern kunenye podcast ekhe sakhuluma ngayo indaba le kuthi nayo I-concern yokuthi kuba yini ngakwaNdebele awekho ama-art school mara yinto esime ngayo.
We understand abathi yini heartland.
Like bokhuluma no K4F uJuel. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I saw that episode.
I-concern into leyo ukuthi kuba yini I-art yethu yaziwa nasenza I-research for i-documentary senzile recently sithola abogogo bapentela abo Michael Jordan.
You know,
uyazwisisa mara isikolo I-art and design ayikho enkolweni zabantu. So mina ngaba nechudu because into leyo now uyi-creative child uyayidinga I-creative outlet.
Yes.
So uthola umntwana uyafeyila njani no, it's because umntwana u-artistic. Akusithi soke ababelethelwe ukuthi basho sizokwenza abo science or things like that. So umntwana akasi talented or akakahlakaniphi. So mina into leyo yangihelebha. So amanye ama-subject ami kade ngibhora vele. Mara I-art and design bengenza sure ukuthi ne-English bengenza sure ukuthi ngiya-excela kiwo lawo. La amanye kade ngidala noma ngaphasa ngemadoda score. But I-passion yami bekuyi-art and design. So i-culture bebasi-offera under Mr. Deichmann. And then nangisuka lapho ke ngayokuzamazama eVets ngenza like a general BA kulanga hlangana ne-film and TV ke. After some years bese azange ngikhone ukungena straight ku film and TV. Ngangena ku general BA ngenza imedia ngenza lokho, then I dropped out. Ngakhama ngayokwenza i-career assessment at-TUT bangipha ama-options ukuthi option 1 film and TV, option 2 multimedia design, option 3 khona into bathi engineering design. I think yabona bo SMAC laba so. Yeah. And then ke I went back to school ngenza i-film and TV. And ukukhomba bonyana i-film and TV level yinto yekhethu. First year ukuthi awukho unyaka zange ngithola i-award ngifika la. Angisho abantu aba-spiritual bathi alignment. Into yekhenu, into yaso sobantu or ngiyakoyenu. Into nange isengazini nekwekwezini recently kade ngikukhomputi wafona wathi ngiyamazi usesiloyo ngazi ambo Malmark amawelu Andries noClenboy umalumam Andries nakahlongakala kwana 21 unfortunately wadutshulwa. Ngiyathokoza wayethenge i-project athi uyokwenza i-bioscope. So umunye wasitshela wathi hayi into ekhaba umuntu ayifi iyakhama yilimi. So umalume vele bekagude ngobukhari bekasenzela ama-ring. Umalume bekasibeka phasi embhedeni alale embhedeni. Inzukulu zonke sihlale bengakhali kangangani mara besi sohlale simlandela asibeke i-ray so besathatha ichoko niyasazi istory lesa ngisho sesipoko ukuthi umuntu wakhwela ikoloyi wasithole emathuneni bathi umalume asitoce kusebusuku sithuke kangangani kuba ngakumalume mara sitshela istory lesa so i-storytelling malume bekafunda incwadi so besisimila khulu sinomalume ngento eziningi so ngiyamthokoza uzima ukuthi nofana umalume yena mhlambe ngokomzimba walala wabuyela kubomamkhulu kodwana indaba ye-storytelling ekhethu iyaqhubeka.
Yeah.
So now bowenzani Mnet?
Okay, buwenzane
wena ngenzani nawe so ngabona amandebele nganiphethe ama-DVD
Yeah, that's right.
ngaya ku-channel director ngathi
Yes,
hey amandebele khethu batsho afuna ukuzokufaka amandebele on
Exactly.
TV ngiyakhumbula sawafaka ama-DVD lawa sathola ukuthi technically
Yes.
yeah but so channel director mbele bese wahlale bazi ukuthi anything that has to do with undebele whatever uyayithumela ngakimi njalo
Oh, that's fair.
yeah so nangise Mnet ngangiyinto le ebathi commissioning editor so it's like you're a procurement specialist of content but you are also a project manager of content. So abantu bathumela ama-idea then nina niyawachecka sithi sifting siyasifta sicheck ama-idea lawo and then esibona ukuthi sine-interest kiwo siyababiza abantu bazokupitcha nabaceda ukupitcha you get assigned a project ke asenze umzekelo mhlambe njengekomkhulu so if bengisesese-Mnet asithi mhlambe bangiphe ikomkhulu ke and then ikomkhulu iba i-project yami ngiyayimanager from the casting of actors, the writing of scripts, the developing. I sit with the writing team when they write. And then nabakhanda istory ngenza sure ukuthi they are within the mandate. Kukhona phela ama-mandate angisho kuma-broadcaster. For instance, I don't know if it's Kenya or maybe something like that. You can't have gay content. So nangenza either Queen bekusahwa or either Queen I think beyingadlali Namibia, Kenya, I might have the country wrong, Mara, because in that country they don't allow
gay
gayness. Therefore, ishow na abina gay characters ayizukudlalwa in that territory. Yabona indwanyana ezinja. So kunama mandate. Every channel has a mandate. ETV has a different mandate from SABC. Njalo.
That's right.
Yeah, so bengi project manager, if you can call it that, and then ETV by busy executive producer. But that's what I was doing. So bengenza about the Queen, abo Mama. I think my other show Ikaya, and then nama movie la owabonako la abo.
Yes.
Actually, Mnet benza about 52 movies a year. So now with commissioning editor, you'd get like 10 of your movies. So that whole processing you describe, you are doing it for all these different shows. You are one show, you are in post-production, you are editing. The other show, you are casting. The other show, you are in writing. The other show, but yeah, you're running like 8 to 10 shows. But yeah, you're running a lot of shows.
So how did it came about? Good thing having a story sesindebele then.
Yes.
So, and this is something engizama ukuthi ngichaze. Knowledge engizama ukuthi ngichaze. Yakhumbula lokha ngizokwenza an anecdote. Yakhumbula lokha na niba ne incident eBoulders.
Yes,
abantu
that's correct.
bakuthi amandebele aye eBoulders.
Yes.
All 38 of them.
Yes, I still remember that.
As a minority, so ETV is a numbers game.
Correct.
As a minority, it's difficult to push across a story. Uti it's a Ndebele story.
Yes.
Because firstly, i-baseline, msi story sasindebele siyokubukelwa yini Mandebele. Thina we are minority group so sibancane. Ngikho uthola indoro eziningi ziqhaqhwa ngesizulu or ziqhaqhwa because that viewership the very large population. So umuntu guaranteed. So unlike abo SABC that have a mandate to fulfill ama languages. Private broadcast efana ne-multi-choice, it's about numbers and money. And how they make money is angisho niyathengisa iPolar still prepared still water.
Yes, that's correct.
Ni garantia umuntu wePolar prepared still water ukuthi my channel has a viewership of 1 million people. You are paying me, I pay a producer, the producer creates a product and I bring eyeballs. Kuthengiswa ngesikhathi bums on seats or eyeballs.
That's correct.
TV ibereka nge-advertising. So i-SABC government, so it has to cater to all the languages.
Correct.
Whereas abo multi-choice and places like that, they don't have to.
Correct.
Yabona, so those are policy things that have to be fixed. Ukuthi umuntu akakwazi ukuthi bacho you are catering to South Africa, but then you can't cater to everyone. But of course, private business. So there isn't much you can do about it. So minority iba issue. Then bese angikhulumele eMandebeleni. A lot of times ngenang interact nabantu ama producer wesindebele. Abantu bafuna ukwenza indebele story. Bakwethu iliseni indebele story. Make a good story.
Okay.
Now uqeda ukwenza good story, you then infiltrate it or uyiqarhe ngesindebele leso. You can, because the minute you say to njengoba ngisho you're a minority, awuna bargaining power. Now ufika kwa SABC or ufika uthi I'm making a Ndebele story, immediately into bayakubuza ukuthi who's the target audience? Mandebele. And abantu yabona already bayajokes about C38. So even advertisers are not biting. So abantu ababi nomdlandla. So the best thing to do always, you must sell a good story. Uthi net now uqeda ukusithengisa story less. Uthi in fact, story lesi I'm going to set it emachirini and then sizoba nalokho nalokho. So if you look at something like Scandal, Sinabo Bricks, we are able to influence ngaphakathi kwe writing room sithi nabathi umdala uza kubuyaphi ngithi hey umdala ubuya ngebhosa uyabona nani bona ama character for instance kubo Scandal abo Mahlangu njani is because in the writing room abo Bricks bakhona and they influence.
Correct.
Again eMandebeleni asiphushi enough education for, let's say abatloli bethu sibhala incwadi zesiNdebele sibhala mhlamba amashow wesiNdebele, so asenzi enough. Kukhona bo NFF banabo Sidibe Spark uyakhamba, I think ngimguthemba no Sistanile engibaziko kuphela ababatloli be fiction besiNdebele. So kuyadinga ukuthi i-government yethu abomasipala bethu basupporte ukuthi ama-resources nama-skills esinawo siwabisele ekhaya sizokufundisa abantu ukuthi ukubhalela i-TV yinto enjani, and then sizokhona ukuthi si-educate-ane ukuthi okay e-TV kubhalwa nje ngoba njengoba ngisho the big selling point is a good story. I-story is very scientific. You sell a good story and then once ngikuhookile then ngiyakufaka ngithi in fact i-story esike musi ngoba we create a world. Angisho siyabhala ukuthi i-story it's about uNofanezile, like oh the story is so good, then you're like yeah uNofanezile wembatha nje, uNofanezile uyi-character ebuya kwaNdebele, so you paint the world, you paint the language. At times you find ukuthi i-story sibhaliwe sikhona kodwa the language decision can be a final decision at the end.
Uthi kufanele isitshaba sekhethu silise ukuthi nasihlolako sihlolele sitlole umdlalo wamaNdebele, but kufanele batlole a good story. So i-good story le iyini kufanele sibe njani, because sikhona ukubukela istory samaXhosa si-acta ngesiXhosa si-acthelwa amaXhosa, or for example umbango bo acthelwa le evenda khuluma amavenda acta amavenda yabona. So now thina nasithi sibhala i-good story kufanele sifocus ma-area wethu focus kufanele abe yini, kufanele abe kuphi?
Okay Thando, so njengoba ngisho ngithi i-story si-scientific, the way mina vane ngicabanga nge-story ngicabanga asicabange ikomo ngithi and then bese siyayihluba sisuse isikhumba sisuse imsipha sisuse inyama sisale ngamathambo. Now uhluba umvango ususa i-language. I-story is about umbango womfazi ephepha, umfazi, the traditional wives. Abo Cijimpi, i-story is about umfazi ephepha, traditional wives. Uyayibona, it's the formula. So nangithi abantu bangacabanga just Ndebele story ne kuma writing room engike ngawa attenda, I think uwizo wakhe wasenzela i-training for radio writing. And then abantu bafuna ukugcizelela too much mhlambe esikweni, bafune authenticity njanja izinto lezo zikhama ne-research njalo. Into important ukuthi i-spine, amathambo owakha ngawo i-story la aqinile na, uyabona i-spine se-story sakho siqinile na, then ngiyo into oyithengisako, then everything else is layering. Why ngitsho njalo is because as a channel or as anyone uyazi ukuthi i-fat ne-muscle le nesikhumbesi kukhabisa musi into ejamisa ikomo mathambo. ngikho noma ikomo uthola whether inonile or ayinonamathamo i-story sakho mde sibe clear from the very beginning. So the way fanele sicabange ngestory ukuthi bathi yi-premise, interesting premise, uyabona. So ke ngikuphi premise ngithi mhlambe uThando ku-My Story with Thando ulahla unqobile uyokuthatha uNomusa. Abantu sele bafuna, so it's you must think then now you are like my character khona into esithi story bible khona si break down ukuthi uThando Lindebele uvela endaweni eso njalo. So ngikho ngithi into very important for thina ukuthi si train more Ndebele writers ngoba a lot of the times into esizibalako lezi uthola ukuthi zitlolwa babantu abanetshisakalo yelimu lelo. Just that balethi story forward and bayas understand izinto lezi zama system bese kuba lula ke ukuthi ukhulume ngelimi lekhenu or ngeculture yekhenu ngoba umamuyini uthi nothing about us without us. So angisho abantu bayabalabala nje ku generations bathi unomasebe moyo. Uyabona ukuthi bayasifaka isiNdebele kodwa from a research perspective kube la azange kube khona mhlawumbe iNdebele lithi guys that Ndebele is not southern. Uyabona balechisakalo but there was no one in the room. So khulukhulu fanele sikhulise iarmy amabutho wethu abatloli abamandebele ukuthi si-infiltrate i-industry. Vele eqinisweni bakwethu angifuni nokufihla umuntu ophutsha into esehliziyweni yakhe.
That's true.
Nasingekho simandebele in those rooms. Amandebele abantu bayasithanda, fascinated by us, interested in us. I think mhlambe later on we can also unpack mhlambe idokile ekhe siyayenza together ukuthi ngipitche njani and then ngayipackage njani njalo. I think nami izangibela easier ukuyipheka ngoba into engiyithengisako lapho is my culture, siNdebele sekhethu ikwandebele yakwethu.
All right.
Mina, my question is, let's say the spine sisi strong, sijamile, sinzinzile, ne? Then the problem kube ukuthi si minority. Kwenzakalani ngalokho ngisho nithi numbers count. Istory ngiso, everything ngiyo. Net amanamba ngiwa bethwa asibethako. Sidlula njani lapho?
Ngishwela ukuthi na any business la uyokuthengisa iproduct awukhambi uthengise ihlizwe yakho manrans, uthengisa into ifunwa yiclient.
Correct.
So awufiki uthi I'm selling you a Ndebele story.
Wow.
Yes, this is my story that I'm selling and I do a lot of evaluations. What you do uheha umuntu angene ngaphakathi kwestory eso athi istory esinasimnandi then athole ukuthi uMusuthando lo Lindebele istory sisempumalanga istory sikwandebele. So sekabanje story ukuthi ama details lawa ukuthi which culture, which tribe is this story coming from, our say important. It's a business to business proposition ngoba if drawer in ngestory then i-unique selling point yethu iyoba siNdebele. Dani ke uyafisa ke angisho niyabona futhi abomzansi magic benzile abo bekuyini the throne istoresa.
Yes.
Amazulu kasithanda because umma loya waku the throne khabathoma ukubona umma oyinkosi ngoba in Netflix what are they selling? Culture. Uyabona abo Squid Games. Angisho Squid Games angazi nakhe nayibukela benzi ibhiskitanyana so bathetha ama children's game bawafaka imeda. If ubukela into eziningi ku Netflix it's about selling culture. Abantu they are interested in culture but la uthola ukuthi broadcaster they don't have those big budgets to move around. Wena wenza show ukuthi story sakho sibabambile nasiceda ukubabamba la bese uthola ukuthi isiNdebele lesi usifakile. It's just that i-approach esiyangayo ngoba the first thing ebazokubuza ukuthi hayi mara stories will it do numbers njengoba amaNdebele uyabona bese authenticity leyo bofuna uyibeka phambili asithi ufuna asiqaleni njengekani.
Yes.
I-SABC ifaka uFlorence Masebe because of marketing purposes because bayazi ukuthi she's someone famous ongadraw in ama viewers azokubona amaNdebele. So it's just that approach ukuthi you have to try and ucabanga istory sakho as a business as something attractive before uzokuthi emntwini I'm selling you Ndebele story.
Yes.
Ngoba then immediately it's like umntu usunduzele emuva beka kude ngoba isiNdebele sakasazi or then uqabanga ama numbers then
interested.
yeah uba disinterested angisho amalanga la ku TikTok bathi date cancelled bafazi akananranga wathi when the date cancelled naso ufikile lapho uthi ngizilethe story samaNdebele kuba yi date cancelled ngoba uyazi and hayi ukuthi abana bathandi indebele content.
Correct, yes.
Indaba ibethwa yini ukuthi umuntu naseka yokupitcha ngoba the reality ngaphakathi kwe channel.
Right, yes.
Mina ngilwela istory ngiyasifuna uHarisofa ngakutshela ke wa act entorini zami bambawaza ke ba actor endweni ethola ukuthi mina ngiyazimanage kanjani. Abantu bayawabiza amandebele ngegama sifuna uMawazi sifuna uHari uSophie Kabini. So they do see our content. Mina I go ngiyokulwela istory lesa. Umphathi wami nase ngimconvincile naye uyago ayokulwela istory lesa.
That's true.
Naloya ayokulela because angisho ukuthi sikhuluma mhlambe a minimum of 5 million. Akekho umuntu ozoyikhipha 5 million azi ukuthi mhlambe amandebele I don't know the exact number but I know that this is mhlambe a smaller minority. It's a business risk njalo.
Yes,
so umuntu imali siyakhamba sizilwele. Mina I believe in the story. I convinced my boss, channel director uya kubo CEO njalo then imali le isign off ke. Then bafuna ukwazi angisho le phezulu abayikhulumi bakhuluma culture bakhuluma ROI return on investment.
Correct, that's
true.
Ngile
izosibisela imali na. Uyabona?
Oh.
Yeah, that's true. So she could be slow silwa raw.
Not really Thando Thando ngakuchazela into le nasenza documentary.
Yes.
Umulo angisho nepika shaka batsho inempondo.
Yeah, well that's true. Yes.
Bathi you skin an elephant one what at a time.
Yeah.
Mina ngifunde abo within angisho.
Yes.
Nase ngihlangene nawe wena wenza iactivism.
Correct.
Mina ngenza iactivity of creating the content.
No.
So every one of us we've got a place ngaphakathi kwe mina before ngiba yiproducer or yazi producer bengiyazi ngubani bo Branco
yes
before I even knew so already bengine picture ukuthi izinto zesindebele mhlambi into zesindebele ngifuna zibe njani nangise university ama actor nangiyokwenza ama film ami bengibiza abo bapojo abo the late Marakomu ngimkhohlwa beka actor esumtambara ubaba ngadala
Mathebula
Mathebula so those were the actors I knew. That was the acting that I knew before. So there is always a place. Ikwekwezi iphushile. Nathi nasithola lethu ulwazi siyapusha. Abo bricks nabo siyapusha. Nami nangifika scandal ngathola ubricks angisho sesimandebele sibabili.
Yes.
Njalo. So there is a place for activism. There is a place for holding the government accountable. So nami nase advertise documentary ngiyenzileko kwaNdebele. Ngiyakhona proudly to say #we need to see amandebele on TV. Because kunomuntu osele avule ugokwambe kathi yini mayeke. So somebody opened the gate. So there's a place for all of us and a cool. It's about learning and teaching and then a collaboration. Ukuthi sonke si sharelane ulwazi lolu esinalo.
Bakwethu sikatangisa Good Life Studios nasimniningwana nafuna ukuzokuhlala lapha namkhana ufuna ukukatangisa audio sine FM ngale. You can call the numbers namkhana SMS, WhatsApp or email nasimniningwana. So tatwethu ungena eVets, from Vets you move to TUT. So eVets uba khona isikhathi singangani?
3 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Then you drop out.
And we cost how many years?
But it gives you the edge. Abadlali. Yeah. Akunento lebathi intuition. Mina nangifika eVets I think I knew ukuthi ngangisekhosini engasi straightforward and ngalwa vele ngazama because again that's why I'm very passionate ngokushare knowledge through company yami Indebele Unicorn.
Yes.
Because a lot of the times now ufikako emadrobheni or wherever wenza into usuyafunda nangifike vele ngabona ukuthi hawu mara kune drama la but bekuyinto engingayaziko nangisuka ekhaya so ngokubefrienda ama friends wami wedrama ngagugulapho la ngabona abo editing njalo then before ngiye-TUT sele ngidrope out ke ngayenza lokhanjile ngenza career assessment. It's like a full day thing, 600 rand. Well, back then, be 600 rand TUT. Ngiyo ke eyaba mhlahlandlela eyangikhombisa ukuthi ama options wami. So yangihelebha into leyo. So 3 years ngenza futhi ngiyakhumbula omunye lecturer athi noma usabantu baya struggle first year wena excelile first year but then you just kept going down. Ngangenza general BA so ngapha psychology ngapha yini. So yabona ngase ngisepateni mara road to nowhere. But into ebengifuna le bengiseduze kwayo but ngangasikiyo fandiwana mara nangifike TUT ngaba sekhaya
wa excel
ngafila nokuthi every single production so ukuchuda ekhaya kusindwe ngithoma nje first day 2000 rand budget yami yokuthoma TT ngachuda ngaye ekhaya 12,000 budget ye second year bengiletha namanye ama production ama student production la ngithwala wonke umuntu siyabuswa besichuda khona Waterfall besichuda khona up to I think ku fourth year besine 50,000 rand budget besichuda elokhanjini besichuda KwaNdebele.
Yes. Okay, i-budget le ibuya esikolweni or
besihlanganisa angisho groupini by 6 but then i-tuition so kune production i-module production so bebathatha imadlana lezenu ze production banibekele kube i-budget ye-exam film yenu eniphasa ngayo bebayihlanganisa njalo ngoba i-module ne-module inemali ebhadelwa so leya beyibekwa imali akhona bese basinikele yona end of the year. So first day we 2000, the other year was 12, I think the other year was 14, the other year was 50,000, something like that. So okay, malezo ngazileta Rebel.
Yeah. So now ama productions obe involved kiwo before iskandal ngengimaphi?
I-movie yami yokuthoma engayibhalako.
Yes.
I-movie enye ithi Kutsa the Ghost of Esikhothane.
Yeah.
Kade imayelana nesikhothane salahlekelwa ikhavela. Mara angisho nabhalako akavumele ukubhala ama brands. Sikilethi istathulo sami bese uyopha so ukuda khona ngoba akakhona ukucrossa over ayokhotha in the afterlife.
Yes.
So into engiyitsho ngespine so from a physical level kubonakala ngathi umuntu ofuna inyathelo lakhe kanti on a spiritual level inyathelo lakhe lilalistake ngaphakathi kwekoloyi eyayimchayisile i-hit and run so sinento bathi ma character goals so now umcalileko bobona ngathi isipoko esisifuna inyathelo kanti kuhle kuhle isipoko esisifuna ijustice so kwakungabhala Kutsa the Ghost of Esikhothane was my first film and then nangisuka lapho ngabereke SuperSport nangise SuperSport bengitrainer ngenza abo City Bespark njengoba ngisho like improvement yabo writing njalo ngi-applyela ama-training i-training leyo nabo yangilidela ukuthi ngiyokubhala ku-lockdown ukubhala ku-lockdown ngabhala season 1 and 2 i-writer lockdown ngahlangana nayo ku-City Bespark i-training leyo ngathi lockdown after lockdown i-lockdown yangihelebha ukuthi ngingene kuMzansi Magic ngoba bese ngi-understanda i-DNA yeMzansi Magic.
Yes.
So njengoba ngihlale ngisho bengibereka 12 hours eSuperSport ngiphume ngikhambe ngiyohlama ngi-12 hours e-lockdown nasibhala then 12 hours ngibuyela njalo so nase umdala phela uyazibuza ukuthi how did I do that mara ngilindebele Wokumuntu egoli uyazi vele kuhlale kubatsha ngilindebele phela mina ngikhumbula bangibuza ku-interview yami eMzansi Magic bathi nomusa this is a competitive industry ngathi hayi guys ngilindebele I'm talented I don't compete ngilindebele ngiya-appreciate into yokuba lindebele ukuba lindebele si-diplomatic si-talented vele asisima social climber kakhulu asibetelani phasi siyakwazi ukuberegisana vane nibone neminyanya yethu into ngi-appreciate kakhulu. So yes asikisi get back to ama production. So nangisuka ku lockdown ngafika ke eMzansi Magic bangipha i-commissioning editor.
Yes.
What is commission editor?
Commissioning editor ngile bengisho ukuthi uyi-procurement specialist.
Yo, procurement leyo nayo.
Uthenga.
Okay.
Nginenithenga ama-program.
Okay.
So ama-production ebangipha wona yi-The Queen. Ngenza ikhaya, I think was my first drama. Ngenza abomama season 1. Then bengenza nama-movie amanengana ke. And then I think lapho ngahlala almost 3 years. And then move on ngilindebele ngiyakhamba.
You move. So you move ngoba ufuna ukukhula or move ngoba I-environment bengasakufavor.
A multi choice my dear.
Yeah.
No better place to work than that.
Manje why did you move?
Multi choice mina bengivuka ekseni look forward to my job. Ngilindebele thina igrowth into ekulu kithi bengifuna ukugrow.
Yes.
Test myself as a freelancer. So one thing in multi choice yangihelpa ngakho because I was at the end of a product SuperSport broadcasting ngifaka ama game ngathi ngifuna ukuya ku beginning of the process like thengwa khona. So I did the 360 content and then ngathi ke ngiyozama nami. So I think I worked as a freelancer for unyaka or 2 years or something. Then ngaba nomsanyana my last born ngabuyela ku commissioning mara nje ngathola umbereko eTV bathi executive producer.
Correct.
Lapho ke ngafika banginikela iScandal ke banginikela nabo Surviving Gaza lena ku Harsofi nabo babamawaza njalo nabo babsipho. Yeah. So I multi choice yangifundisa I think bravery. Lazama ngaba freelancer.
Yes.
I-TV yangifundisa bravery for ukuthoma ibhizinisi. Nangifika ku-TV bathi basho ibhizinisi le ina 22 years. Nangifika ngaphakathi ngabona ngathi mara abantu abaya experiment musinami ngiyabona so boldness of starting my business ngayithathe i-TV. That if this business is 22 years nami ngingagudla ngingazama something.
That's right.
Yeah.
So what business okiyo?
So ngine production company esimini visual fields sicetla ukwenza i-documentary ebe broadcaster ku e-TV ithi Hidden Gems of KwaNdebele.
Yes.
So i-production company leyo. My first production my first business engayenza ku ithi Ndebele Unique On. So u-unique on chukuthi ngiqaha imagic yesindebele, the uniqueness of amandebele ngithela konke into yonke engiyenzako i-creative service agency.
True.
So ihloso yami ye-business leyo is career, ngithi creative career guidance, ngiyenza i-story development. Ngiyafisa njengoba sengicedile nge-documentary ukuthi ke ngirane mhlambe for 3 classes si develop at least isifiso sami this year ukuthi nasingathi 15 TV writers ngakwaNdebele. Ngoba ngathi isizini ngeyethu man. Cake le.
Enkosi thabile.
Charakene. Ngathi ningakase enkosini mara ngathi inkosi thabile unyaka lo ngathi cake leso ithatha manje yethu. So timing I think into esingayizwisisiko also about doing creative work. Isizini sometimes fanele ibe ngeyakho. Ungaba good, ungaba hardworking, ungaba so kukhona ihlelo leli bathi inimba. Yabona inimba ikhosa sakhona sithengiwe so ubhuti lo yangangimbona mina ngisabereka eMnet. Ubhuti lo uyabereka. Ubhuti lo is hardworking and diligent and mara ngathi isizini bengasinge yakhe mara nje indro zakhe zonke sesivulekile. So there's always also a spiritual element emberegweni with creativity ukuthi
that's true.
Iba bathini ngesikho bathi when it's your time even baskets it will hold water for you. Basket ayavuza
mara amanzi zohamba straight.
Umanti
injalo yeah.
So this is interesting yes ngathi ngakulalela ukukhuluma kuphela
you know but asikhoni ukuthi simlalela
bakusitshele ngeprocess yokupitcha the Hidden Gems of KwaNdebele from the beginning.
So ama-channel vana khiphe into ilokanje i-TVMC yafana ne-Mathenda. Ama-TV show afana namathenda. Ukhitshwa ama-brief.
Yes.
or SABC I think bathi RFP what
Yeah.
bakhipha ibrief unyaka opheleleko bathi bafuna ama-hidden gems of Mzansi.
Yeah.
So ngabhala mina-ke ngabhala ngeKwaNdebele but ke back to into esiyitshoko leya ukuthi istory at that time ngangiberekisana noBusayi sinama-ideas nje esiwathrowa
uBusayi Mathebula.
Busayi Mathebula
Wekwekwezini.
Wekwekwezini.
Okay.
So
It's a breakfast show.
Yes.
Yes.
Mvezi.
Yes.
Producer. So sinoBusayi manje ngithi okay ngine access kuBusayi nento yokunetworka ngelilanga ngicocela sinoBusayi sahlangana kanjani emtatweni then
Yes,
sathoma
yes.
sakhulumisana njalo.
Ngiyavuma.
So ngithi nginayo access kuBusayi uBusayi angeza kwaNdebele akhombe athi lapha kusetshanini lapha mara into le it's very boring. Ngiyacabanga athi kunomntazana engimaziko ucula papa pepi popo umalumake chubabaki nakachamandebele yabona
Yeah.
ulempendulo ngewe Mamelodi
Yes.
is a hidden gem.
Let's go.
Ngahlanganisa ngathi what if ngiqala iKwaNdebele ngelihlo lenye i-hidden gem ngiveze i-hidden gem eyiKwaNdebele. So now umuntu ukhamba nolempendulo nawe ufunda ngamaNdebele
Yes.
mara uyazi ngelihlo lakalempendulo bese kube nguBusayi okuhambisa asikisi ulempendulo ekhambeni leli lesindebele.
Izani nizobona iphasi laKwaNdebele linezinraba imlambo ihaza amanzi.
Umpendulo lo ufuna ukwazi ngeKwaNdebele.
KwaNdebele sinemigwalo kunemsebenzi yezandla khulukhulu amaNdebele azikhakhazisa kakhulu ngephothelo nangevunulo yabo.
So that way kunento esithi i-perspective angisho abantu nabaqale iKwaNdebele nabo bayarelate ngoba abasingo baKwaNdebele njengolempendulo so baba ne-interest kunento esithi relatability ku-TV umuntu umdala nabukela into azibone naye yazi ngoba abanye ngibabonile uTikTok omunye athi ulempendulo ngimi uyabona so amaNdebele outside of ulempendulo ke uqula isiNdebele so ngababhalela ngathi I am taking a hidden gem to look at the hidden gem that is KwaNdebele.
Imithi ehlaza, inkomo, imbuzi, ngizwela kwasekhaya. Lempendulo umvumi wesiNdebele udlala igatara ubhala ngesiNdebele as a fashion designer, fashion stylist, a model, a creative entrepreneur, a visual storyteller, an event curator, and all-rounder creative Nangingasho. Akwande.
So I think yabaheha ke into leyo then ke ngathoma ngaya ku research ngaya abo Sithembile Ndlovu lapha e Department of Arts and Culture nawo sinonceba bangisa ba historian bab KP wabkhoma ngoMahlangu usekhodwana nguye ke wangikhombisa nezinye indawo nabo abantu be Arts and Culture bangihelebha ngamanye ama hidden gems ngoba engangiwafakile la ekuthomeni ngangifaka bobheka bomkhali boutique kanjani bathi lezi ezikhona everywhere asizifuni sifuna okuma hidden gems so nga-isolate ke ngathola abo ZS Gallery ngathola so also ngenza i-narrative ngathi ulempendulo for enza anything kwaNdebele ngathome ngekhodwana ayofunda ngomlando wamaNdebele athi nakaceda lapho ke adle kamnandi etshanini njalo kayokukhwela bomgwalo thozi.
So you go into a research sebayivumile ngale or abakabuyivuma you
ba express i-interest so ba keep it brief ngafaka i-proposal ba express i-interest but ngelangeli so sibawa uzosipitchela so uzositshela ngento le-verbal ngenza i-research ngahlanganisa i-pitch deck ngaba no-co-producer ami umnakwethu uDumile Kabini and then ngaba noBusayi and then the reason ngikhetha ama-co-producer labo bengazi ukuthi uBusayi at least ku-culture and i-understanding yakhe yamaNdebele the language the music unayo mina understand i-TV uDumile understand about events ngoba ngaphakathi
uDumile ngomnakwini
iya uDumile ngomnakwini singebe ekhabo uDumile nekhaya kuthiwa kusekhabo uDumile mara izibulo ngimi mara singebe ekhabo yabona yakhaphuka abantu baduma kaDumile sesiphila nje sibabantu bekhabo Dumile
ngiyabona ngitsho nayo Dumile
you see
you know
angisho kenu uyabona ukuthi ifawo ningasesentumrutu yeah so bakhipha ibrief ke ngafaka ngazitholela ama co-produce so naba express interest sebafuna i-pitch kune proposal kune pitch deck njalo so ukhambe u-refine njalo so bathi pitch I think pitch bathi ngoJuly something like that ngayenza ke mina busayi noDumile sahlala sapitcha sathi abo professor Kabini bano kodwa into ka professor Kabini gadanga ngadunga yeah nje so sapitcha konke esibona kuhle apitch TS Galaxy I'm a huge TS Galaxy fan so bapitcha konke lokho ke and then after that I think bahlala inyanga ngabo August then ba return abathi we'd like to give you a contract.
Wow.
That's a totally contract. I-budget dakhona it's public, so you already know how much you're getting. So now totally contract banama specifications. So my business document wakho i-compliance into esibetha kukhulu emabhizinisini ekhaya. Siyabereka but the compliance asinayo. So bafuna most latest everything, bank account everything lapho. Then bafuna enye i-deck code bathi treatment.
Wow.
So yeah, we are angisho phela ukhambu yakhuphuka. So treatment yam I can tell you my treatment pictures were Lilo NTK, Unabingweni, and then I had a bouquet of flowers. So treatment is how as a director am I going to treat the documentary. Ukhona ama flowers nyana manye ngiyawafaka ngithi palette yami. Izoba so I think nasenibonile idocument yabona ukuthi it's colorful. So izinto lezo you already propose them as I'm submitting my contract. Before they sign the contract they need to know ukuthi yeah, so bafuna ukwazi ukuthi what's your directorial treatment. Then they want to know your crew. Ngubani i-crew yakho, ngubani ozobaphethe imali zakho, ngubani ozokuchudela i-camera njalo. So as a commissioning editor izinto besizi-approve lezo. Ukuthi umuntu lo angisho ku-tendering usuyatsho umzala uzana aceda umzala bethu umnyanya ngemali etenda. So ba-avoida into ezinjalo bafuna ukubona ukuthi experience ikhona na. Njalo noma i-crew inga-change but i-experience njalo bafuna ukucheck into ezinjalo ma-CV we-crew yami konke ngafaka ke and then after that ngabhala i-script and then i-script leso ke naso
siya-check ngaphasi ama-department we-script nokuceda ukusibhala akuhamba njani
na uceda ukubhala i-script sakho ke unikela i-crew so be-wardrobe ba-checka impahla luckily mina ama-stars wami bambatha kuhle bebakwazi ukustyle ule mpendulo unokustyling njalo ukustyle yakwazi ukumbatha for the occasion so bengana-casting engikhulu mara i-wardrobe ithatha i-script i-break it down be-hand makeup nabo ba-break it down siyaplana woke ama-looks amalanga woke and then no-music i-composer yethu bekungulilo NTK so that's why ngithi i-inspiration i-color bengifakelwa ngulilo NTK so ililo NTK waplana naye nabo I think bofani Masemula beza babetha lapha isinara bahlanganisa vele konje bengiyibiza into le ya contemporary sinara benginamagama nyane ngwaka show the color abo lilo ba compose music omucha especially for the documentary njalo already bengazi ukuthi ule mpendulo yokhambe ikhambo elinje athome nobusayi and then agcine ne-mentor yakhe I think ngudokotela uNothembi Mkhwebane so planning all of those people then ukuthi okay ngifuna ukwenza i-lunch ngifuna kuza kwaThando Mahlangu njalo then ke kugula into yesindebele iba important ukuthi i-documentary yami ibe authentic ngifaka authentic Ndebele amandebele on TV unqobile lilo NTK Dokotela Nothembi Mkhwebane kune organization iJoe Ed mara also strategically ngi-advertise nama-product ku-documentary
Correct,
ivuka ndebele
yeah.
khona
Hey.
ama-products abo ugognosinki abomma
Yes.
abomma
Bomma bemvelo, yeah.
yeah, I think yeah mara na uchecka ku-documentary siziresearche zoke
Exactly.
in fact ilo khanje kagognosinki ngase ngiyithumele ku-channel I think kayi-2
Yo.
nase ngichecka ngabona ukuthi lapha akusiyi Dr Nosinki Art Gallery yibomma bemvelo
Yeah, bomma
yi-cooperative
bemvelo, yeah.
ngayibawa ngabarabhela ngathi ngibawa ukuyilungisa because i-accuracy is
Yes,
important
yes,
to me.
yes.
njalo njalo then ngibe ngine-language specialist umam Christina Mthweni bekayi-interpreter eParliament so now uqala i-documentary yami ithi amaNdebele ayithi Ndebele people nang-interpretako mina ngangizibhalele Ndebele people angisho bengingana subtitle bese ngizibhalela at first and then ngabiza i-language specialist wangifundisa ukuthi ama-Afrikaner akuthiwa Afrikaans people in totality umuntu indebele muntu and then I also learned ukuthi isindebele is both a culture and a language
true,
it's
yes.
those things that you learn but to make sure ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi angazi I had a language specialist we hired a language
That makes
specialist
sense, yeah.
then ngabathumela i-email ku-e.tv ukuthi nizokubona ke nayibuya kwi-documentary yokuthi amandebele njalo njalo njengoba kuthiwa Afrikaner amandebele asithi Ndebele people ngoba Ndebele is a people njalo njalo so ngizamile ukuthi ngibe accurate endweni engizenzako when it comes to the documentary.
So kusho ukuthi you can't just do koste ungenelele endweni yoke oyenzako whether it's Ndebele or Tswana or what koste ufunisise akunabuthongo muslapho
Khona ngilala nje njengoba i-documentary seyibroadcastile yeah.
So ama-brief wona atholakalapi aphuma njani? How do you hear about them?
Social media so mina ngenza into eziningi and a lot of the times is because ngiyafollowa social media so ngiyajudge ama-SAFTA awards ngihlale nginama-notifications on mhlawumbe akhiphako bathi bafuna ama-judge wama-SAFTA awards I'm on it ngiya-apply nabathi bafuna ama-evaluator I'm on it ngoba into eziningi ziyaphuma social media website social media website ama-trip engiwathetheko for training Morocco Netherlands ama-program lawo social media website so i-multi-choice ine-portal
Yes,
nje
yes.
seyi-complicated nyana uregister ibhizinisi yakho and then-ke ungene ngaphakathi ubone ukuthi banama-open brief bathi ma-unsolicited ama-unsolicited njengama-movie wafaka anytime but sometimes bawafaka kulokhana nje kuba nama-brief lawo-ke ngababiza kwi-brief kulokhana abanibizako unsolicited nifaka anytime
Yes.
i-e.tv nabo ngathi uya-emaila I think bane-email address mara-ke nabane-brief bane bafake nalapha e-TV njengalethi nebesingenele bathi ma-regional documentary leyo bayi-advertiser e-TV otherwise your best bet ma-social media i-SABC bane sengicheck ama-website azange khe ngibe nechudu nayo ngisayifunda i-system akhona but I think nabo bane-portal so i-multi-choice ngathi SABC bane-portal i-TV nabo and then now ba-emailako njenge-e.tv mhlawumbe uthi ufuna ufaka i-brief usually I think nayivaliwe koba zoku-emaila back bathi we are not receiving briefs at this time then bese kuba nabo-funding follow ama-production company kunabo international money as well ngibo-ke fanele sidlalele kibo thina as amaNdebele siyokuthatha imali angaphesheya then inabo National Film and Video Foundation National Heritage Council National Arts Council kukula siba ne-freedom yokuthi senze into yesiNdebele from the get-go ngoba bafuna khona lokho
khamba kufunda shem
Khamba kubona. How did you select your team? And did you get feedback after episode Hidden Gems of KwaNdebele was flighted on e.tv? What was the feedback like from social media to e-channel?
so ngiyathokoza nangibuza i-question leyo ngoba
okay itwakhe
my team
That was amazing.
100% I think ithi 99% KwaNdebele educated after UJ
Yo.
100% besilala ku-BNB but
It was
that
on
was
point.
no it's just because nanchutako you wanna keep your crew together ubana yovuka kuphi
Yeah.
so i-crew yethu beyingeyakwaNdebele
Yo.
yoke in fact ubhuti obekabuye eJoburg i-senior camera yami bekeze nobhuti sound nasisememento wathi basho kwagogo wakhe kungale and mina kade ngimazi bengazi ukuthi
Yo.
so yabona ukuthi
Yeah.
Exactly.
equipment yethu 100% Mpumalanga rented ngayirenta ku Sifiso Nobela we-MIF weMpumalanga Film Festival. So bekungananto yami ebeyibuya kwaNdebele. Budget yami because i-TVI publisher was 213,495 rand. Spent all of it in kwaNdebele.
Wow.
Yeah, so that's catering, accommodation, abomkhali boutique njalo. We had sponsors njalo uyabona. Nathi besizama la kuchoda khona ukuthi abantu basponsor and ngithanda ukuthokoza iKwaNdebele yokana ngokusamukela basihelebhe abo chef bonke abantu abo Garden View bonke abantu abasihelebhileko nangithe ngibawa ukukhangisa ngesindebele bavele. So very proud of that. So isifiso sami ke ukuthi njengoba siyitholile 200,000 budget leyo.
Correct, yes.
Now ngine product. I put in my own money. Ama-gig ebengwenza. Uyayibona i-color ye-documentary le. It's color graded. Beautiful.
Powerful.
So because ngifuna ukuthi nge-documentary leya nje sengizoyithatha ngiyise kuma-film festival. But nge-documentary leya ngifuna ukubuyela kuma-broadcaster ngithi kwaNdebele kuneqembu elinje elenza umbereko so elikwazi ukwenza i-TV standard.
Correct,
Yabona,
yes.
or international standard content. Sibawa enye imali or at least sibawa nisibize nanifuna i-content. Ngoba intori sinazo sizibhalile but then it's a matter of having a proof of concept ukuthi siyakhona ukwenza umbereko onjalo. I-response i-documentary idlale 2 weeks back. So khona in this coming week ngizokubawa ratings. Yeah, bathule bathi ngibathumela i-email. But channel, I think they were impressed, they were happy, the ones interacting nabo, supervising producer wethu was very happy, uyithandile. And then again into yokuthi sele ulitholile ithuba lelo lokwenza into leyo. Angisho uyazi ukuthi what is riding on this. Into leqhakatheke kangangani. Ngikho bengifuna ukuyenza ngezinga phezulu ngoba abantu amaNdebele sibabantu abenza izinto zeqophelo eliphezulu. So bengifuna neproduction yethu ikhombise lokho ukuthi next time bazokhona ukusivulela iminyango njalo. Yeah, so isifiso sami ngiyafisa ukuthi then sithole more productions. Then kunento engibawa ukuyifundisa amaNdebele usayikhe wayikhuluma. I-feedback amaNdebele isiba nayo endrweni ezenziwa ngathi in-negative, i-harsh. Sometimes ifika even ku level yokuthukana. Kunosesi in the last 2 weeks wenze ingutshana Mxhosa athi hey ndandichata eMandebeleni kwakumnandi but ndenza i-mistake ndabiza utatadzala ngomsana. Something like that. Lihlaya ngisho une interest in Ndebele people. Now check ama comments wakhe abantu balwela ukuthi uvundlile ilo khanje asithathi opportunity ukuthi umuntu simfundise. Abanye they went as far as ukumbiza ichuburu and things like that. So ubusayi wakhe wayikhulumisa nemhathweni emalahleni naka interview la for document athi akekho umuntu owenza umbereko for abantu abazomthera apart. So ngiyafisa ukuthi amaNdebele singafunda into enye bathi i-sandwich approach. Ngaphambi kokuthi utsho ukuthi into embi or eqhaphudlileko yini. I-sandwich angisho namaphatha ayi-3. Thoma nge-positive. Yazi i-documentary le ngiyithandile imibala yakhona isivezeli iKwaNdebele kuhle. Nedi mara azange ngithande lokhu nalokhu banga improve la. And then uvale ngoku-positive. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngibone more of amaNdebele ene lapha labafaka abothandwa bangathi bangafaka nabo banibani njalo. Into yethu esimaNdebele is always the attack. So nami njengomvezi ngiyasaba ukuthi ngibhale ngamaNdebele ngoba wona amaNdebele khethu ngiyokuthukwa uyazwisisa. So akekho umuntu ofuna uku-investa imali entweni eyokhabhudla abantu especially owenza into ngabo. Asithathi opportunity sithi abantu bakarekile ngathi bese sifuna sitsho sithi yazi dadethu ingubo umbhalo awumbathwa nje omunye uyafunda. So i-approach leyo ngiyafisa ukuthi amaNdebele singabana ngaphambi kokuthi uthi complain uthome ngokuhle utsubhule bese ke utsho nalokho ukukhabhudlileko abantu bayafunda ngathi bayafisa ukuza bazosibona nathi simaNdebele.
That's true.
I share.
No, this is powerful and it's true. Isitshaba sekhethu we have to learn some of the things ukuthi ezinye izipi angeke sizilwe ngokuthukana fanele into nangabe sifuna ukuyifundisa sifundise kuhle. Fanele kube nomunye into nanoma nayimbi akuvezele ubuhle bayo then akutshela ukuthi no la ilungisele itshekile yabona. So ngithokoza kakhulu kwamambala dadwethu nase sisonga ke ungathini
ngitamandebele abambene itsho njalo ngoba lilo NTK lalela ulilo ngamalanga ngiyathokoza. Number 1 mina ngithokoza ukuthi uZimu wathi fly machine nakakhambako a drop abantu wangidropa ngeposa wethu. Number 1 clock it to God. Clock it Ndebele.
Yes.
Akunala ngingasikhulumisiko isikhethu isindebele culture yethu ubuthina ngoba ngiyakholelwa ukuthi sibabantu who are worth seeing. Si interesting, sinothando. Yazi si special breed amandebele. Siyakhona ukuhlala sodwa senze into yethu sichube ipilo and then siyakhona ukuba international kunabondebele superhero abolilo yabona ama-artist kanjalo. So ngiyamthokoza uZimu ukuthi kizo zonke angenze zona izinto ungenze ngabalindebele ngisonga
Grootman.
Yeah.
It's your take on the episode and the word of the day.
No, my take on the episode is that ngicabanga ukuthi ukufika kwakaNomusa ngaphakathi kwe-podcast le kuvula abantu abaningi amehlo. Khulukhulu abantu abanekareko yokubona ama-productions wabo ne-content yabo ekumabona kude.
Yes.
Bese-ke engizokungezelela ngakho ngibuyekeza nje yena ukhuluma dlula compliance. Into eqakatheke ekhuluma mbala company registrations, your bank account, your CSD registrations, capacity ye business yakho, administration ngendo zakwa SARS, or are you good with those documents? Izinto eziqakatheke ekhuluma mbala ku business because engikuthola namhlanje ku dadwethu ukuthi kuhle lento sifuna ukuthi vele TV iyi business.
Correct.
Then ngeke uthathe ibhizinisi engekho registered wafuna ifaka ngaphansi kwebhizinisi registered. So asithomeni nje ngokuhlalisa kuhle ama registrations wama business wethu. Bese ke ukuchinga phambili ngiyacabanga ukuthi seyi networking. Asihlangana noSesinomusa you just ubuza lapha nalapha la ungazikhona uyabriefa ukuthi la udlula so ngoba na yena sekunebanganyana likhambileko. Nento eziningi azaziko nawe ke ugain experience lapho. Kutana kukusalako i-compliance eqakathekileko.
That's right.
Yes.
Word of the day.
I-word of the day yami namhlanje ngethi esikhathini esiningi ubona kwangathi izinto azifinyeleleki bekube mhlokha uzilinga.
Ngiyafuna.
Yeah. Ubona ngathi izinto izinto angeke zenzeka. Bekube mhlokha uthatha igadango lokuthi hayi into le ngiyayenza. Namhlanje sihlezi ngaphakathi kwe-My Story with Thando Mahlangu. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi it was an idea.
True.
And today it's something esiyi-enjoy yakho.
True.
So izinto eziningi zibonakala ngathi angeke zenzeka bekube mhlokha uthatha igadango lokuthi ithi ngiyenze.
Yeah, you're very much correct. Bakuthola apha Monday to Thursday?
Siku ngakwethu emhathweni kwekwezi FM 9 to 12 ebusuku ngomvulo mahlelo wethu la uzakubamba khona imotivation. Ngolosibili i-interfaith zinkolelo ngokwahlukahlukana kodwa ke siziletha ngayinye lapha siveza khona umkhanyo wangaphakathi ngoba na ke nawuza kuzwisisa ikolo ngaphandle fanele uyizwisise ngaphakathi. And then ngolosithathu kuba amahlelo wethu wobudlelwano. Ngolosine kuba amahlelo wethu webusiness. Ngilokho nokuningi nje esikuphetheke ngifuna ukuthi abantu bakubambe indlela esilochisa ngayo nesivula ngayo ihlelo. Wadlulwa ngileyo ngeke uyi-understand ngeprogram yethu. Danko attendance.
Yes sir. Sithokoze Grootman. Namasuku nase uyivala.
Nasengivala ningakhohlwa ukuthi ihlelweli silethelwe iPolar Prepaid Still Water bathe singawomi ezo nje umphimbo yakhorokhoroza bathe asifuni lokho sifuna iphimbo elikhamba kuhle smooth ingakhona namhlanje uSesinomusa.
Yes.
Uzozikhambela ne6 pack. BakwaPolar bathe awukwazi ukungena ngaku My Story with Thando Mahlangu podcast ukhambe umkhonoze
Yes.
Thokoza umehliso mamanzi. Yes.
Go.
Sithokoza kakhulu.
Thokoza thina. Lami ibizo nginqobile ngokwamasuku umntazana othengisa ku R573 hlanu kwePola Mall. Kazi nangi nje ngiyatholakala ku Facebook ngoNqobile Masuku, ku Instagram Nqobile Masuku nofanezile, ku TikTok Nqobile Masuku. Ngilandela nami ngizokulandela. Uthini Mthandosi?
Sikadangisa Good Life Studios. Lami bizo nginguthando Mahlangu, indebe lihlakaniphileko nelifundileko. Konje dadwethu abafuna ukuhlangana nawe, abafuna ukutshala imali ngaphakathi kwe-esimini benza njani?
Inamba yami is 072 489 5871. Ngibawa ama WhatsApp only, no calls.
Yes.
Vele i-communication better is WhatsApp. I-email address yami is nomusa.nkabinde, so nomusa.nkabinde@gmail.com. And then i-business yethu ise Stellas, i-office lethu lise Stellas MB ngaphakathi ngakwamhlanga. Ma social media wethu it's Esimini Visuals ku TikTok, Esimini Visuals ku Instagram asesemacha, so angakhabuwazi kuhle party, it's Esimini Visuals. And then Facebook and everywhere ngingu Asumon, so ngunomusa backwards, it's Asumon.
Ibonile intwenja.
Mina ngiyazi ngikubani marwa mara nina.
Njengoba sekuyibhizinisi iyaphathi ngiyafuna ukuthi abantu ba focus ekhulumo ku Esimini, Esimini Visual Fields, Esimini. Now ungasitholi ukuthi Esimini Visual Fields uzokuthola Esimini Visuals. Mara ama Instagram wethu nama TikTok wethu akhona, and then ungasithola nanjalo ke.
Thokoza.
Bakwethu na ufuna ukubona i-Hidden Gems of KwaNdebele, ungasesha woke ama social media platforms usuthi Hidden Gems of KwaNdebele. Izokuvela iqephu lapha nalapha iqunjwana ziyavela, ithombe zihatshekile konke nje. Beyitrenda nakudlala i-episode le, ngiyaqabanga ukuthi ne-e.tv nayibonile ukuthi ngiyo yodwa i-episode ebazikhethileko etrenda.
Ngiba ukungezelela Thando, i-e.tv u-commissioning editor wethu u-executive producer uchilo wathi nayiphindako i-episode uzolande asazisa ngoba vale sebayiphinde uyabona randomly, so uthe uzosazisa. So kuqhakathekile ukuthi abantu ke basifollowe kuma social media, and then ke nani abantu akade bakhona ngaphakathi kwe documentary nonande ngizilisa bese so abantu nabakuma social media wethu bazolibele bayibona ke ukuthi i-repeater nini.
Perfect. Bakwethu sithokoza kakhulu kwamambala. Sise Good Life Studios, sinomhacho, sine podcast studios, inomboro nanzi sikhwatha, ngeze sakwenzela into etshekileko lapha ufike khona. Bakwethu ibizo lami nginguthando Mahlangu, ngilandela ku social media platforms kiwo wonke @Thando Mahlangu _ ungilandele nami ngizokulandela. Umbuzo omkhulu uthi
uthini yena? That's a wrap.
Your story deserves more than just a camera. It deserves a stage.
Welcome to Good Life Media Studios, where ideas turn into powerful visuals and audio.
From broadcast quality podcasts to television production, live streaming, and digital content.
We don't just record, we elevate your brand.
Step into the spotlight. Create like a pro.
Good Life Media Studios, our talk, your inspiration.
Book your session today.
Phela amandla amandebela azophumelela siyakukholwa ethando Mahlangu umvikeli wesiko umphakamisi welimi sifundise sikhumbule sithande esingikho isintu sethu siyaphila ngawe ufuna ukubona amandebele phumelela khulu ekorweni yozokusithabisa.